Alright gang, today I'm going to show you how to set up some smart views in your grade center. I will pick my sandbox course to work in. I'm already logged into Blackboard. I will not be working in the student tools over here, so I'm going to go ahead and hide those. But I will be working in the grade center, and since I don't want to open up the box to go here, I'm just going to go to the full grade center right there, and that'll take me straight into it, save me a click. What I want to do is I want to make a view that will only show my marking period 1 grades, for example, for a certain group. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go under the Manage tab. I'm going to go select Smart Views. At this point I'm going to create a Smart View, and I'm going to call this Smart View Marking Period 1 Block 1. Or I think it's block 2 for my group. I don't know, you'll see it. By adding a favorite, it's going to actually put it over here in this area right here. You can see some other things, other smart views I created. That's what adding a favorite does. What I want to do is I want to create a custom view because I have 2 criteria that I'm going to use. First of all, I want to use the group, and now the group is equal to 2, so this is a marking period 1 block 2. And then I'm going to add another criteria, and that is that the marking period 1 grade percent, since I'm using a percentage grade book in this case. And I'm just going to show, I can show them all by doing greater than 0. So that'll make it all together. So marking period 1 grade, the percentage, so it's kind of an ongoing, for any value greater than 0 will show up. And now I'll submit it. Now by doing that, when I go to my grade center, and I go to that marking period 1 block 2 that I just created, will only show me the marking period 1 grades that are more than a 0, or have a greater average than a 0 in this case, which, since I only have 2 students, is all you have. I hope that helps. You have lots of options for smart views. You can do these smart views are already made for you, a lot of them. Also, it's important to realize that in the full grade center, to see your smart views, you can change the view within the grade center by going to the filter, and then I have some smart views kind of pre-made. Your journals, final grade views, all these. This is one I made. You also have grading period smart views, which can be really helpful to eliminate. Like for example, if we're only working in marking period 2, then I would want to just show that smart view. You also see in the filter you have some categories you can show and statuses, but this is about smart views. So again, manage smart views, and then either use the ones that are there or create your own. And create your own, you have to give it a name, remembering that custom, adding it as a favorite makes it show up in your drop-down menu over here under Grade Center. You have many options based on just a group, 1 or more class groups. You can do more than 1. Performance, you can base it on performances, so you can keep up with, for example, any student that made less than a 80 on a specific test. You can do one for individual users that you're concerned with. A category and status view, in other words, what the category is and what's the status of that category. And then of course the one we just did is a custom built query. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, contact your ITRT. Have a great day.